Hello student, welcome to SSC class. Today we will discuss uh, answer of the E part from changing trends in occupation, chapter number 7, class 5th SST. Changing trends in occupation, chapter number 7, E part question answer, class 5th. So let's start. Question number 1: how has mechanization brought a change in agriculture sector? How has mechanization brought a change in agriculture sector? The answer is the use of machines in agriculture brought a great change in occupation. A single machine replaced the labor of many workers. Many farms laborers lost their source of income, and it has created some new occupation like mechanics, salesmen, drivers, etc. So this is the answer of question number 1. And question number 2: define white revolution. How did it bring changes in dairy farming? Define white revolution. How did it bring changes in dairy farming? Answer is the white revolution is the achievement of milk production and also known as Operation Flood. Dairy farming brought a great change in production of milk. Dr. Verghese Kurien created a national milk grid that linked all milk producers, and India became the largest producer of milk in the world by processing, marketing, export, and distribution of byproducts of milk, as well as it involved many professionals like veterinarians, scientists, and truck drivers. These are the some of the professions. For example, it created employment also. So come to next question number 3. Explain changing trends in occupation in the present times with examples. Farmers are going towards cities and towns as migrated labor in search of job for their better income. Now the occupation scenario is entirely different. Many new occupations have become popular in cities. They are related to industries, trade, transport, communication, education, health service, fashion, insurance, banking, etc. Professional and non-professional jobs are available due to changing trend in occupation. So this was the answer of the question number 3. Then question number 4: what is dignity of labor? Given example. And a self respect of a worker, and work is the dignity of labor. All work is the same, whether done with head intellectual work or hands manual work. For example, rickshaw puller, doctor, teacher, these are the laborer, both intellectual and manual worker. Then question number 5: define gender discrimination. In what ways do the humans suffer due to the gender discrimination? Define gender discrimination. In what ways do the human suffer due to gender discrimination? Its answer is the unequal treatment of human by the men is known as gender discrimination. Girls and women are not given equal opportunities in education, career, and political system, as well as molestation in workplace is suffering from gender discrimination. So this is the answer of this question, and I think question number third is changed in new book. So we just overlook this thing.